What is this called? Spoon. What is this called? Fork. What is this called? Knife. What is this called? Plate. What is this called? Glass. What is this called? Bowl. What is this called? Cup. What is this called? Teapot. What is this called? Pot. What is this called? Pan. What is this called? Colander. What is this called? Whisk. What is this called? Cutting board. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Can opener. What is this called? Tray. What is this called? Spatula. What is this called? Ladle. What is this called? Measuring cup. What is this called? Sieve. What is this called? Pitcher. What is this called? Oven. What is this called? Microwave. What is this called? Toaster. What is this called? Blender. What is this called? Juicer. What is this called? Kettle. What is this called? Samovar. What is this called? Coffee maker. What is this called? Coffee grinder. What is this called? Rice cooker. What is this called? Slow cooker. What is this called? Steamer. What is this called? Air fryer. What is this called? Kitchen scale. What is this called? Knife sharpener. What is this called? Pressure cooker. What is this called? Sandwich maker. What is this called? Electric mixer. What is this called? Food processor. What is this called? Refrigerator. What is this called? Freezer. What is this called? Trash bin. What is this called? Meat grinder. What is this called? Steam cleaner. What is this called? Freezer bag. What is this called? Oven mitt. What is this called? Kitchen towel. What is this called? Dishwashing liquid. What is this called? Sponge. What is this called? Dish soap dispenser. What is this called? Turner. What is this called? Kitchen scissors. What is this called? Meat fork. What is this called? Scrub brush. What is this called? Grill rack. What is this called? Hand broom. What is this called? Coffee scoop. What is this called? Salt shaker. What is this called? Pepper shaker. What is this called? Tea strainer. What is this called? Bottle opener. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Kitchen tongs. What is this called? Jar opener. What is this called? Teaspoon. What is this called? Tablespoon. What is this called? Egg cup. What is this called? Digital scale. What is this called? Double boiler. What is this called? Meat thermometer. What is this called? Oven thermometer. What is this called? Skewer. What is this called? Liquid measuring cup. What is this called? Vegetable peeler. What is this called? Storage container. What is this called? Pastry brush. What is this called? Aluminum foil. What is this called? Parchment paper. What is this called? Cling film. What is this called? Salad server. What is this called? Dough hook. What is this called? Sink strainer. What is this called? Glass cutter. What is this called? Paper towel. What is this called? Cookie cutter. What is this called? Drying rack. What is this called? Shopping basket. What is this called? Cake pan. What is this called? Steamer pot. What is this called? Honey dipper. What is this called? Kitchen timer. What is this called? Ice cream scoop. What is this called? Trash bag. What is this called? Rice measuring cup. What is this called? Mop. What is this called? Kitchen thermometer. What is this called? Cleaning sponge. What is this called? Chopper. What is this called? Bread bin.